Let's understand what is statistics. When you take a complete list of units you're planning to study, this complete list of units is called population in statistics. For example, if you want to know about all the apples in a basket, and you look at every single apple, that's population data. If you want to know about the students of class 10th, and you are considering all the students of class 10th, this data is the population. You need to remember the following important points about population in statistics. 1. Complete. It includes data on every individual in the defined group. 2. Fixed. At any point in time, the population remains the same during the study or analysis. When we should use population data? Population data is used when you want to say something exact about everyone in the group, without guessing or estimating. Representations. In statistics, population data is often represented using symbols like capital N, the total number of individuals in the population, and mu, the mean of the population. Limitation and solution. Some scenarios it becomes impractical or too costly to collect data from every single member of a population. In such cases, statisticians use samples to make inferences about the population. What is a sample? We will study it in the next video. In practice, due to the difficulty and expense of collecting data on entire populations, statisticians often work with samples from populations to make predictions or draw conclusions about the population as a whole. I hope the population in statistics is clear to you. If it is clear, then answer the following quiz in the comment box. All the best, keep watching. If you want to know the average weight of all the dogs in a city, what would be the population? A. The weight of your neighbor's dog. B. All the dogs in your neighborhood. C. Every single dog in the entire city. D. None of